In this episode, we're going to teach you how to use the replace, the find, and the search tools that comes with Microsoft Word 16. This is programmer tutorials where we post all kinds of tutorials, and this is a series called Word App Mastering Microsoft Word, where we upload Microsoft Word 16 tutorials. So let's get started. And here I have an article about health psychology, okay? So this is about health psychology. So the word health and the word psychology gonna be repeated a lot. So in the find here, we're gonna search for something. For example, I don't know. Let's search for something. We're gonna enter here something, and for example, let's search for people. So here it says the matches and it's highlighted with yellow. So here people, another people, another people, and another people. People is mentioned 4 times. You see here. You can click here to go to the paragraph where people was mentioned, and you can filter. For example, find the whole word only, match case, or exclude related matches, okay? For example, we have people here. If it's capitalized and we search for people, it's gonna still be found here. If we match the case, it's gonna find people with lowercase and not with this capitalized people. So only 3 gonna be found, and this people with a capital letter gonna not be found because we said match the case, okay? Okay. And we can find the whole word only. For example, if here we say, let's say people health, and it's all together, okay, people health, and we search for people, this people health gonna appear in the search because it has the word people, but it's not a whole word, okay? It's a part of another word. If we say find the word only, this gonna not be found, okay? So that's it for the search. It's very useful. Another thing here, we have here the replace, and you say find what and replace with. Find the people, okay? And replace it with individuals, okay? You know that we have people here, okay? Just notice we have allow people to be healthy, and we have another people. Where is it? Okay, let me just cancel before that, and let me search here for people again because I want to highlight. So we're gonna replace people, every people, not just this one. Whenever people appeared in our text, it's gonna be replaced with the individual. So what? Find people, okay? And replace it with what? Replace it with individuals, okay? And replace all, okay? You can have the replace and replace all. So all done, and it say we made 4 replacements, okay? So here, health psychologists study the factor that allow individuals. You see that everything is changed here, okay? Whenever people appeared, it was replaced with individuals. Let's come back here and do replace again. Replace people with individuals. I'm gonna find the text. For example, it says that it's found this one here. You can just replace this one. You can replace this one here. Okay, yes. And find text again. And it found another people here. You can see if you can change it to individuals or no. Sometimes you cannot change that word in the whole text. Sometimes it's gonna not be appropriate and it's gonna not be normal to change it everywhere. So it says, I found another people here. You can replace, okay? Find another text. It finds another text here. You can replace or close, okay? Replace, okay. And find text. It found another text here. Here, for example, if we replace, it's gonna be individuals emotions, okay? And that cannot happen in English because we say people's emotions, but individuals emotion, we have this sign here. Okay, let's replace. So here, linking individuals emotions, that doesn't work in English. We need to delete this here, okay? So sometimes you cannot just replace and forget about like the English rules or whatever. So now let's go to the select tool. We have here the select all. That's okay. That's clear. We have select objects, and it's quite simple. You just click here and you'll be dragging to select all the objects here or select paragraphs here, okay? So that's about, and select all text with similar formatting. Okay, let's say we have, for example, this one. It's a little bit smaller and it's bold. Okay, this one, okay, this one here is italic and this one is underlined. Okay, so select text with similar formatting. So the text with similar formatting, or the majority of the text that has similar formatting, gonna be selected. The italic text won't be selected. The bold text won't be selected, and the underlined text won't be selected. That's all about the find, replace, and select tools that comes with Microsoft Word. So I hope this video was useful. If it was useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and like my video. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, please comment them down below in the comments section, and stay safe.